Good day, everyone. I am Pandora Albayda, and I am here to present my undergraduate study entitled Exploring Facebook Page Insights as a Feedback Tool to Improve Programs in the Makiling Botanic Gardens. Let me zoom in my poster a little bit. This study focuses on exploring the social media engagement data of the Makiling Botanic Gardens Facebook page for 2019, and also exploring the information the Insights tab can provide in directing the programs of MBG. With Facebook being the most used platform in the Philippines at the time of this study, both private and public institutions used Facebook page and still uses Facebook pages as means to reach their target audiences or customers. The MBG Facebook page was created on January 13, 2017, and serves as an avenue for MBG's mission to promote the appreciation and increase the knowledge and understanding about plants, their diversity, importance, and conservation. The page showcases plant species inside its premises, particularly when they bear flowers or fruits. The page also announces advisories and events of the MBG. The data used in this study will be limited to the Facebook page insights data, specifically looking into the social media engagement from January to December 2019. You may ask, why 2019? As we all know, the year 2019 is the year before the pandemic. So this study describes what the engagement of the page was before the new normal and can be used to compare future engagement data for future studies. The study is an initial exploration of the data offered by the MBG Facebook page Insights tab and assesses whether this can be used to direct the programs of the garden. Specifically, this study aims to 1. Profile information on the Makiling Botanic Gardens Facebook page related to public engagement. 2. Describe the nature of the public's engagement with the Makiling Botanic Gardens Facebook page. 3. Explain the implication of social media engagement information to the programs of the Makiling Botanic Gardens. And last, recommend possible strategies to encourage more relevant MBG programs and improve public engagement. In this study, the page data and post data are extracted as Excel files from the Insights tab. The Facebook page Insights tab is a tab in Facebook where page engagement metrics are made available to page managers. While downloading, you will know that there is a 180-day range limit on the extraction, so the data was exported on 4-month intervals, namely January to March, April to July, and August to December, resulting to 6 files for the whole year. These files were merged into 2 files for page data and post data respectively. As this study analyzes large data, descriptive statistics using graphical and tabular presentations are primarily used to give insights and analyze the trend on the activity profile of the page. But correlation analysis is also done to confirm the relationship between the variables. Now on to the results and discussion. Throughout this study, it is found that the MBG page likes throughout 2019 shows a steady increase in new likes from 883 to 1,335 followers with an average of 1.36 followers per day. The trend in additional daily followers can be seen in the first figure or the figure on the upper left corner. Meanwhile, the second and third pictures shows that the majority of these followers belong to age groups 18 to 24 and 25 to 34, which reflects the Facebook user demographics in the Philippines. Throughout 2019, the age groups 18 to 24, 25 to 34, and 35 to 44 has the largest increase in number, especially the 25 to 34 age groups. Meanwhile, it can also be observed that there is a 2:1 ratio between the female and male followers, with the females being the green in the bar graph and the males being the pink in the bar graph. According to the activity of the page audience, which is shown in the last figure in the first row, that the best time to earn maximum post engagement appears to be 7 p.m. and 9 p.m., where the number of online followers peak and the posts uploaded within this time window had the most engagement, especially from people who are not page likers, which is shown in green, while the page likers are shown in pink. If you would look at the first two figures on the second row, it can be observed that when plotted, the spikes on the number of total unique users that engage the page daily and the number of new unique users that like the Facebook page coincide. And after doing correlation analysis between the two, it can be confirmed that the two has a strong positive linear relationship. On the next figure, you can see that 3 dates stood out when it comes to engagements. Which are January 28, June 27, and March 5. And these are also the days with the peak increase in page likes. After discerning the post data, certain posts on the above mentioned dates boosted engagement, which is shown here on the lower right corner. Yes. These posts are about jade vine or Strongylodon macrobotris and the red kappa kappa or Medinilla magnifica. The next figures describe the content of posts of the MBG page for 2019. Generally, engagement received by the page are shares, while there is a low count on comments and likes. Videos have the highest average engagement with more than 200 total engagements, but it only accounts for 2% of posts. Out of the 85 MBG posts in 2019, 62% of posts are photos, while links constitutes 30%. Among links, photos, and status, photos have the highest average engagement, followed by status. Visual appeal apparently contributes to user activity. Links, on the other hand, had the lowest average engagement, even though most have visual previews in FB posts. There are 3 types of links found in the MBG page posts. Among these are video links, or videos uploaded directly to Facebook. These has the least engagement, even though videos have been proven to have the greatest appeal to the MBG audience. The explanation to this is that the Facebook algorithm shows less posts with videos and links to the user's timeline if the user has slow internet. It also prioritizes links that can load quickly. This condition prevents the post to organically reach the maximum number of users. Regardless of the post content type, the post context is categorized into the post features, which is the last figure. So the categories are visitor feature, self-promotion, nature feature, facility feature, and event feature. also celebratory or congratulatory posts and advisories. Among these, nature feature and event feature has the most engagement among posts, showing that the page audience is mostly interested in. Many of the nature features are video links. If those videos are uploaded directly to Facebook, engagement for nature features will also increase. In conclusion, the MBG Facebook page has a stable increase in followers throughout 2019, which means that the current strategy used by the page managers are effective in a way. To reiterate, the increase in page followers are brought upon by engagement received by posts, specifically the shares, which are the dominant type of engagement received by the page. The context and content of the posts greatly affect the number of engagement and consequently increase the number of page likes. Visually appealing posts like videos and photos are most effective in enticing the page audience, while links are the least effective. Videos are best uploaded straight to Facebook without using third-party sites due to the nature of the Facebook algorithm. The page audience is most interested in posts featuring nature such as flora and fauna species along with events held by and in MBG, which is to be expected for a Botanic Gardens page. So, since the MBG posts effectively increase the number of page followers and their engagement, the page managers should continue and even increase the number of posts that are most effective in engaging. For example, posting nature features regularly and uploading videos directly to Facebook rather than sharing from third-party sites. The timing of uploading posts is also important. Posts that should be seen by many, such as announcements or events, can be pre-scheduled to be posted at a time that majority of the followers may see them. The MBG should also consider applying for a verification badge, which certifies authenticity of a page and adds credibility to the page. Posts that encourage discussion may also alleviate the lack of likes and comments. In future event planning for MBG, the managers can take advantage of the page data to effectively reach their target audience. Thank you for listening.